Product Creation Studio is a product development firm. We do everything from industrial design to manufacturing coordination. So we work with sporting goods, consumer products, medical equipment, housewares. We need to have the ability to go from the conceptual design, the industrial design, and transition really quickly into mechanical engineering, and transition from mechanical really quickly into electrical, and transition from electrical and mechanical into manufacturing. And SolidWorks as a package has the ability to incorporate all of those disciplines so that we can streamline our process.
I come from a background where I was using non-parametric modelers, basically foam, and then handing that foam object to an engineer. And a lot of the details that I intended either in my head or in the model would get lost. SolidWorks early on helps me validate forms that I'm making so that I have something that's actually feasible and producible.
The whole team is using SolidWorks, and very quickly we can come to terms with what needs to be done.
What SolidWorks really helps me do is communicate with the other people in my company, also interact early on with engineering, get feedback on manufacturing issues that might come up, and then ultimately get product out faster to the client.
We really pride ourselves on innovation. At the same time, we need to get things done quickly on a reasonable time frame. With SolidWorks listening so closely to the user community, with our reseller right there to pass that information on, to support us, we can worry less about what's going to be my next problem with the CAD tool and more about what do we want to design.
For us, the ability for everybody in the office all use the same package, it's seamless. People come in with varied backgrounds, and SolidWorks is so easy to pick up. When they jump into SolidWorks, it's amazing how quickly they can go from something that's like a freeform type modeler to something that's a parametric modeler and get even better results.
And for the industrial designer, it's all about creating the perception of the product in its final stages or in its manufacture stages, what it could be in the very end.
There are a lot of other CAD packages out there. I've used most of them. What it really comes down to now is what's the easiest to use, what's going to be the easiest to learn, what's the most powerful, what's going to get your job done. And you look at it and SolidWorks keeps coming up at the top of the list every time.